Osiyo, it's how we say hello in Cherokee. I'm your host, Jen Lauren, at the site of the first Cherokee Female Seminary in Park Hill, Oklahoma. Although the original building burned down in 1889, these pillars stand as a testament to the enduring legacy of education in Cherokee culture. All her life, Cherokee National Treasure Anna Sixkiller has been surrounded by our language and culture. Anna says she doesn't know how to be anything but Cherokee. Through her work, she ensures Cherokee values are carried forward by future generations.
Luyen Suderli Dowdon. Alijo and our Dana. Next go his good at years a decent. Go he, Georgie Oslo again, take do down. Elise $10 again. Get my youth was tell you that they got last going down. And Hannah Wagalose, Wagalux take a water now. They go last taluj. Gia then a little case gave a legal case where he got you hella. The guard away he on a eager teacher and not taluj a lenti, a lay was good tasty, a lay eager case now. The guard they stopped to get Judas seen. Skin the guard away on a skinner the goaler I want to new ways. Skiskin coheres and no eager agilap a let you the lena to lose at the water no one. Well, man, now is to ease as canana the cananeti kilo the gods canana or to death one a let or the news and uchiwo a water ding. I know as canana war with the zesla a let oyster the go as again to lose something else go. Something allowed the East Coast, but something else goes sour with the tears and this line. Cherokees make basket. You've seen a basket that's square like this, and it's got square holes at the bottom. Okay, that was in every home when I was growing up. That's when people make kanachi. That's when people skin corn. Now, it's just hanging somewhere to show. Why? Because we quit doing the things that a Cherokee's supposed to be doing. Jalagay ho, je won is get over to see these. Allah las ko kelo gay of the gay Carlo jig to high or Jalagay ogi won history. She does that squaska, let's take it that squaska, a guy, the canidast our lena. A neon egg on the yarn no land needs a lucky jewel. Ujos at the use gay, huh? Jalagay ho, je won is gone not our lena. Or does it that squaska? Ugo there or Jesus like your Joska Yonega one east. I said, did they yours can go like a one east go Yonega. Or this gone, Jalagaha or the one east gaha, Yonek like a lee or Joska. Did they yours Nigoeska? You know get that for Anyik, though the Yogi land el Nasa or J. Lee's gonna go alone. I knew so you do not know long hand. Gonna go see I know Gia on the Gastotin of the Yojoska Yonek. No, and I know Gia yoga desqua, oga desqua do you go with? I was gonna saw eat no, it's gonna not choose you, Lena. You got the Jalak Yonek e go the connect they got to down. No one got the Ogi no has a used to go to Yonek. Now here knew the lena no or the squaska, a lay or tangiska, no le or zorska no le the connect a live no giweska, a le dogolska, as can no the done, no a live to it the yoga on a long nest, no le or zorskan kalino your neck. I really have two jobs, one with the newspaper and one with the translation department. Every day, people send in, I want this translated. There's not a day go by that somebody either way off, another state, country, just different things. And then some will say, I'm going to get married. I want to learn how to say, I love you in Cherokee. Okay, I'll tell them. It's very important to the people that ask. They trust you to do exactly what they want you to do. And I try to be that. This month would be 26 years, still translating.
We are approaching language and brings a power that really, I mean, not only are we translating from English, we're sometimes translating from this kind of old English dialect to the English that we use to then the Cherokee, and how did the two jive together?
Even though we know Cherokee, we still learning new Cherokee every day.
Well, Roy just sends in stories, little stories. So we don't think nothing about it. Sammy and I just sit down and we just translate it and shoot it back. One day, Roy walks in with something, and then he says, I got something for you.
Or surprise here for you. It's for all your hard work on the Let's Talk Cherokee, the Fried Bread Monsters episode, for your translation work.
Thank you. And I thought, well, I've seen these things before. That's what I thought. I didn't say nothing. And then Roy told me what we won on that little story. And I just started bawling.
You did great work.
Thank you. Thank you. Try.
Was it good done without you?
David got my name on it.
Yeah, inscribe and be there forever. So.
I appreciate it, Roy. I appreciate it. I just don't, I'm lost for words. But never in my life have I even dreamed to get anything like that for my work. But that's what I do best, translate. And then he said, come with me. And then we took it one to Sammy. Sammy done the same thing.
Wow-wee. Man, never in my life did I ever think I'd be holding one like this, let alone it be mine.
People on TV get those things, but not Cherokees. That's what I thought. That's something I never dreamed that I would ever get. Cherokee language is very important, and that is the language that was given to us. As time went on, we've lost it. We haven't completely lost it. There's still some that are able to understand, read and write. But to the ones that's keeping it and trying to work at it all the time and using it, it's very important to them. I'm glad I'm a Cherokee. I don't want to be anybody else. I am who I am. That's the way God created me. I still thank the Lord that I can still do what I can do. At 81, I am very thankful. I thank the Lord each day that I can still walk, see, do things, all of that we're created for, it still works. That's what I'm thankful for every day. It's been a long road, but to me, it's a good road.